Okay, so now we're going to talk a little bit about the pros and cons of attending community college. So, first, with a couple of the positive things or some of the reasons why you might want to choose to go to community college after high school. Cost is probably one of the biggest things. It costs significantly less to go to community college than it does to a four-year university or some technical schools. Many of the community colleges cost less than $2,000 per semester. Another reason is that it lets you have a more flexible schedule. If you are planning to work while you're also trying to get your degree, community colleges offer a lot more flexibility. They offer more classes in the evenings, at nights, and so you're able to take advantage of the fact that you can kind of pick and choose how you want your schedule to look like, so that you can work or so that you can take care of your family, whatever other needs might come up in place. Another reason is community colleges also have usually less students per class. So you might have a class of 20, 30 students as opposed to a four-year university where you might be in a class of 300 students. So being able to be in a small class lets you connect more with your professor, lets you ask more questions, and lets you sort of be more involved within the class. So if you're the kind of person that likes a little bit or needs a little bit more of that one-on-one attention and support, then community college is a good choice for that. Another reason is they have really good professors. Now, some might think that, oh, community college, maybe you're not getting the best. But in reality, is that just like a student might choose community college because they want to have a flexible schedule, professors also kind of choose community colleges as well for that reason, that they're able to sort of pick and choose when they want to teach their classes, and then they might be involved in other things outside of teaching, and community colleges usually offer them more flexibility in that way. Some of the cons of community college, or or how community college might be a challenge for some, is limited curriculum. So what that means is that maybe not all community colleges have all the classes that you might want to take or things that you might be interested in. For example, they might have a computer design class, but not necessarily one that really deals and focuses with video game creation or something like that. Whereas a four-year university, since they're usually bigger, they might have more classes that are specific to what you want to learn. Another reason is campus life. So usually students that go to community college, they might be working outside of that. They might be commuting or driving in from a different town to go to this community college, and so they might not always be or have the time to be able to be in the campus and be able to participate in other activities that the campus might offer. While there's many community colleges that offer a lot of really cool activities for you to participate in, usually a four-year university has more options than a community college might have. So those are just a couple of pros and cons for community college. I personally went to community college, and I really love my experience there. So I really recommend it for anybody that is looking to sort of want to be introduced to college life before really jumping into a big four-year university.